Students' protests erupted today against the government of India's plan to swap portions of Manipur's land along the Indo-Myanmar border and its decision to hold a census before updating the Manipur NRC. The protest, organized by the All Manipur Students Union Amsu, was held in front of CC Higher Secondary School, Imphal. During the demonstration, the students' protesters shouted various slogans including Manipur's territory cannot be given away to Myanmar and no NRC, no census. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines, Amsu Organizing Secretary Thingbajam Sanachan recalled the historical Go Back Foreigners movement spearheaded by the student union to detect and deport undocumented immigrants. He noted that two distinct agreements were subsequently signed between Amsu and the government regarding this issue. Sanachan also highlighted an 8-point charter of demands, including updating the Manipur NRC before conducting any census operations, which were submitted to the Prime Minister and Home Minister following a consultative meeting at Manipur University. Criticizing both the state and central governments for failing to fulfill these demands, Sanachan strongly denounced the government of India's alleged plan to cede around 3.6 square kilometers of Manipuri land to Myanmar. He also urged the government to immediately halt this plan and take swift measures to implement the NRC in the state.
Honorable Prime Minister, Government of India, Sri Narendra Modi da Amit Shah da pohum 8 point charter of demand akoina Amsu na thangkap na kare ngasi bobo thapok to ontok 3 ngasi mak akoina to akoina sanction do khongjang se asuke mithak yamana maram moikan tongan ba naron da hural la da Government of India na sathari ba kominna kanam khangandra Manipur myam ge ayabu siyaw da Manipur myam khanglam da lam isagi iram dam pithokni torom ba se masimo Amsu na kandem tawi masi Amsu na kaidung dal hoigi singli da I mariam chiling makai de malai ba ki da ta singli da I mariam chiling matik de hona thing na gani have se hoi press ki chilang ge mai ke da